My story is probably similar to a lot of the other girls that was in here that we had. I had a very traumatic lifestyle. I was in a battered wives' home with my mum when I was a kid, children's homes. I was in violent relationships, domestic violence. I was raped. Just lots of really sad traumas happened in my life. At the time, I just wanted to block all of that out, do drink and drugs. Like, this is about the power of addiction. You took me hostage for so long. The ransom was my freedom. I spent years in the world consuming you, fighting and stealing to get you. I put you before my family. I risked my life many times to get and take you. You had an iron grip on my every move. You caused so much trauma. Junkie, alky, troublemaker, antisocial. It's not really right to label anybody. Everybody makes mistakes, and forgiveness is the key for me, not holding resentments. It's none of my business what other people think of me. I'm personally trying my best. Now I have hope and recovery. The penny has dropped. I am free from you. I am happy without you. I embrace the beautiful sunshine and the flowing seas and helping others and being kind. I want to learn and to travel, and I want to feel my emotions. I want to share what I have with others. I want to inspire. For people with addiction problems, prison isn't really the answer, because people still leave prison with no understanding or the power of the disease of addictions. I think women need support, rehabilitations, day programs, therapy, and a lot more understanding around mental health. You know, it's a very invisible illness. Now I'm in recovery, I've got peace and harmony in my life. I'm giving back, I'm working for a charity, I'm helping homeless people. Just the unity and the power of being with other girls in recovery. You know, we give each other strength, spiritual strength on a daily basis, which is brilliant for me. And finally, to my addiction, you no longer have power over me. You taught me how to live without you, but I know still you grow stronger, waiting for me to come back to you, to destroy me.